everybody, and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. Not really. So we are gonna make fried Cheerios. So let's get on with it. So I got my eggs. These are not usually the eggs we use. We use the red carton. Those are jumbo. And there we got our pan. Leave it for a few seconds and it will be good for butter. Okay, once you got that done, you do this all over the pan. And then there we go. See, now we turn it to low. And then I'm going to pause this video and there will be eggs in there. Once you got the eggs in there, it's all good. So you have to wait until it's all white. So yeah, here we go. You may want to skip this because this may be a long time. I don't know yet because this is my present, not yours. See the difference now? Alright, I'm going to pause it again. See the difference now? They're almost ready. If they haven't gotten totally white for a little while, you'll want to turn up the heat just a little bit, just a tad. You have to leave it more than just like after a minute it gets fully white, because the egg itself, the yolk, might still be raw. Right, brah? Alright, see you in a sec. And they are done, I think. Yep, they're definitely done. So now you turn it off and they will still be cooking. So see you in a sec when they cool down. There we go. Alright. Well, this is all the time we have for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!